Hi, Ash. And Talia attempts to walk downstairs on flip-flops. Not gonna work, they're falling off.
Uh-oh. Looks like I could use some help.
Yeah. I hate it, I can't walk in flip-flops. I fall off the like space in between my big toe and my first toe is like really big. It's big. I have flowiness. It's a key.
We're going to take pictures here?
Yes. I need to put these back on. My feet are freezing. So cold.
I got goosebumps.
Yes, I do have goosebumps. And my feet are gross. Oh, God. No, I have stuff on my skirt.
What, did you see my new Hetalia wall scroll I bought today?
No.
No?
Ah, shit. Came on Snap. Pre-snap me. Yeah.
Sorry.
I know.
Yes.
Ooh, hey. Turn around. Face the sun. I want to take a picture. Hello. Ash, don't be camera shy.
I'm not.
Stop being camera shy. I'm gonna tell Luke.
Tell that replica.
I'll tell him, and then he'll tell Guy, and then Guy won't love you anymore. Because we all know you have a secret relationship with Guy. Ah,
Not.
you do.
Not.
You do.
Not.
You do.